Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into a high-stakes digital battlefield, one where artificial intelligence is both the ultimate weapon and the last line of defense. We're going to break down how a whole new generation of AI is completely changing the game in cybersecurity. So, think about it like this. You've hired the smartest, most advanced AI security guard to protect your digital fortress. But what if a hacker could stroll right past it just by putting on a clever disguise? Now, this isn't some sci-fi plot. It's the reality of a high-stakes cat-and-mouse game that's happening right now, with our data and our privacy hanging in the balance. All right, so to really get what's going on here, we first need to meet our digital protector. For years now, our first line of defense against cyber attacks has been this silent guardian, a system designed to watch over our networks 24/7. It's called a Network Intrusion Detection System, or NIDS for short. You can think of it as this tireless guard that's constantly watching all the data flowing in and out of a network, looking for anything that seems off. And, as the threats got more and more complex, we decided to give this guard a brain upgrade using first-generation AI. But here's the thing. As powerful as this new AI guard was, researchers pretty quickly found a major flaw, a critical blind spot that clever attackers could exploit with shocking precision. And this vulnerability, it all comes down to something called adversarial examples. Now, in plain English, attackers figured out how to create digital disguises. They learned how to make these tiny, almost invisible changes to malicious code, so small we'd never notice, that completely fool the AI guard into thinking a threat is totally harmless. And the impact is, well, it's just staggering. One study showed that an AI model that was over 96% accurate at spotting attacks suddenly dropped to just 2% accuracy when it came up against these disguised threats. I mean, that's not a crack in the armor. That's the armor just disintegrating, leaving the digital front door wide open. So, you can imagine, this discovery kicked off a massive arms race. On one side, you have researchers constantly dreaming up new and better disguises to test our defenses. And on the other, you've got teams scrambling to make our AI guards smarter, to help them see through all these tricks. Right when it looked like our first-generation AI guard was totally outmatched, a completely new type of artificial intelligence stepped onto the scene, ready to rewrite all the rules of the game. And we are talking about large language models, or LLMs. Yep, this is the very same core technology that powers tools like ChatGPT. The way they work is they first learn the basic patterns and structure of language from just enormous amounts of text, and then they're fine-tuned to do very specific jobs. And this right here is really the key difference. The old AI was basically a pattern matcher, like a guard who only knows to look for one specific uniform. But an LLM, it understands context. It doesn't just see the data, it understands the story that the data is telling, which makes it way, way harder to fool with a simple disguise. So, the big question is, how does this new context-aware AI actually build a better security guard? Let's get to the front lines and see how this actually works. Well, when you plug an LLM into an intrusion detection system, you see improvements pretty much across the board. They're way more adaptable to brand new threats they've never seen before. They give off fewer false alarms because they get the context, and they're built to handle the insane amount of traffic on the modern internet. But look, getting to this point wasn't as simple as just flipping a switch. Researchers had to figure out the absolute best way to put these powerful LLMs to work. And their journey was this incredible, rapid evolution of trial and error. So first up, they tried the most obvious thing. Just take a big general-purpose LLM and start giving it prompts, basically asking it to classify network traffic. Now, it was a start, but it was kind of like asking a brilliant novelist to suddenly become a security expert. The accuracy just wasn't there, often below 46%. The next step, though, much smarter. They gave the LLM a reference library, an attack database, that it could check against. This method, it's called retrieval augmented generation, gave the AI some much-needed context, and its accuracy for known attacks shot way up to a pretty solid 82%. But the real game changer, the big breakthrough, was when they created this really slick two-part system. They used a small, lightweight LLM that was fine-tuned for one single job, detecting threats fast. And then a second, much larger LLM was kept on standby to jump in and provide deep analysis and explanations that a human could actually understand. And this chart just says it all. Look at that jump from 46% to 82%, all the way to a phenomenal 98% accuracy with that decoupled approach. It's fast, it's efficient, and it is incredibly precise. This is our new state-of-the-art AI security guard. So what this whole evolution shows us is that this isn't just about finding a shiny new tool. No, we're talking about building an entirely new foundation for cybersecurity, one that's designed from the ground up to learn and adapt. And that's exactly what's happening. Experts are literally designing brand new frameworks to get these models integrated. But the most important piece of this whole puzzle, it's that final layer, continuous learning. The entire system is built to constantly get smarter. And really, that's the bottom line here. This new era in cybersecurity is all about one thing: adaptation. The threats are never going to stop evolving, which means our defenders can't afford to either. The AI guard has to be a student for life. Which of course leaves us with one final, pretty mind-bending thought. This game of cat and mouse isn't over, not even close. It's just leveled up into this new, super intelligent phase. As our AI defenders get exponentially smarter, you have to wonder, what kind of new disguises, what kind of new adversary will it take to outsmart them next?